Welcome to the City of Aurora's Customer Portal. The Customer Portal provides a convenient online service to make the process efficient and accessible from anywhere. Please note the Customer Portal is still a work in progress. The web page contents are subject to change. Thank you for your understanding. This is the Customer Portal's homepage. From the homepage, you can register for an account or log in to access its services. At the bottom of the page, you can find our contact information and useful links. Registering and creating an account on the Customer Portal. Get started by clicking Registered User. Then click Create an Account. Fill in the required fields, marked by the asterisk, then click Submit. Once you click on Submit, you will receive this confirmation pop-up. Please check your email. If you do not receive it in your email, please check your spam folders. Click on Continue. This will take you back to the landing page. Now go check your email. You will receive an email with a subject line that says City of Aurora Portal Registration. The email will come from noreply@auroragov.org. Once you've opened the email, copy the PIN number and then click on the link. Once you click on the link, it will take you to the PIN verification page. Enter your email address, paste in your PIN, then click Verify. You will then be asked to set a new password. Once your new password is set, click Submit. After clicking OK, it will redirect you to the login screen. Or, if you are on the home page, click Registered User. Navigating the Customer Portal. From the home page, click Registered User to log in. Once logged in, you will see two main tabs, the My Permits and My License tab. The My Permit tab is where you will view and manage your permits. The My License tab is where you will view and manage your licenses. If fees and payments apply, you can view and pay under Fees and Payments. If you want to edit your profile, click Profile. Here, you can also change your password. To log out, click the exit icon. Reset your password on the Customer Portal. To reset your password from the home page, click Registered User. Click Forgot Password. Follow the instructions to reset your password. This will take you where you can enter your email address in and select Reset Password. Please check your email account for an email with the confirmation code that you can reset your password. Then go check your email and locate the email with a subject line that says City of Aurora Portal Password Reset. The email will come from noreply@auroragov.org. Within that email, you will locate your username and a link to reset your password. Click on that link to reset your password. Once clicking on that link, you'll see that it auto-populates your email and auto-populates that PIN. Then click on Verify PIN. Next, it'll take you to the page to reset your password. Enter your new password, confirm your password, and then click Submit. Once you have reset that password, you will come back into your portal, go to Registered User, and enter your username and password and click Submit. In this lesson, we have covered navigation of the Customer Portal, how to register as a user, and how to reset your password.